Emmanuella, let's play a game.
Which game?
Question and answer game.
How?
It's simple. I'll ask you one simple question. If you get it, I'll give you this 1,000 naira. But if you don't know the answer, you give me just 100 naira.
Each time I post video, people ask me this question. Why did you let my comment? Then why don't you shave? Then why this? Then why that? Then I want you to ask Mark again. Then I love your comedy. Then so please today I decided to come live and talk about it, because if I don't talk about it, the question just keep coming. I post a normal video that you should just like and watch and subscribe, and you just want me to go back to my old self. Today I will tell you the reason. So that's why I need to share this video. Share it as you invite a lot of people as you can, so that we can hear what I have to say. And believe me, any question you ask me today, it doesn't matter what the question is, as long as it's about me, my former
you go
teammates and everything, I'm going to answer you. So please keep the question coming again. And
for my family,
just you, we're going to have a very
you go bring
session
money. I be now when you hear, rest in peace.
If MarkAngel reply Denilson Igwe, na big effort. Aje, I swear to Almighty Jah, na big effort. If he reply Denilson Igwe on top that thing where you go talk for Nedu Wazobia FM podcast, I swear. Because make una just calm down. Go check Denilson Igwe YouTube. Go for in older posts, like those early posts after he leave MarkAngel. That's supposed to be 6 years ago, if I'm not capping. Go and check it and confirm. Now you will see say Baba don dey cash out since. Like he has been cashing out on YouTube and Facebook, but because of his reckless spending or anything, I don't know what happened to him. He come drop on views, drop on creativity, and drop on even consistency. These three things make up a content creator. You can't be not consistent and want to be like someone who is consistent and being creative at the same time. MarkAngel even had some issues the time that Emmanuella had to focus on her studies. Yet MarkAngel no give up. Instead, he starts to collaborate with people, starts to feature people, starts to work on his own face brand. That is being creative. That is jumping on new trend. You just dey chop your money that time, think say you don't arrive. I don't understand. After the years where you don't chop money, 6 years ago, now you dey come back, come dey talk say, now you build MarkAngel comedy, blah blah blah. You build MarkAngel comedy, but the name of the comedy na MarkAngel comedy. Make it make sense. I don't understand. If MarkAngel reply you na big effort, I repeat it and I repeat it again and again and again. Yes. Everybody wants to act like blackface now. If man just dey work for life, e come be like say as in dey work out, things no dey move as in wan make him move on. Based on where he don place himself, you go see am, he go start to dey lay blames on top people wey no concern am. Oga, pick up yourself, find your problem. MarkAngel no be your problem. After how many years you dey call am out? My God. See, well, Nigerians, let's help him before he go enter into depression, because na so he dey take start. And I believe anything when they take, may know they take them, because Baba lost consistency, he lost creativity, he lost spirit of creating. Aje. I've been a big fan of Denilson Igwe, and I'm here to say it, pam plain. He lost it all. We even stopped watching all his comedies, though. I saw recently he went live a month ago and started talking about MarkAngel leaving him. I was like, Baba, you waking up now? Now morning starts. Since how many years back? Look at Emmanuella herself, don't even start her own brand. And now you want to come and talk. Look at when you're talking. Look at Emmanuella and the last time you acted with them, and look at Emmanuella now. I beg Denilson, go find your problem. If you want me to contribute, beg Emmanuella, MarkAngel, make him feature you. You tell us. That's what you're supposed to be asking for. Feature. Asking for help, not calling your helper out. See, MarkAngel is not just a content creator. Let me tell you guys, MarkAngel is a manager. Like, he's a management creator. This guy manage people around him. I haven't seen him doing anything reckless spending or I have never seen him like on such occasion doing such. Baba is focused. Look at how Emmanuella is focused in life. If you say na Denilson dey manage Emmanuella for turn to side aboj, Aje. I dey tell na true, na inside the cap. blackface na this thing cause am. You no fit see Wizkid blame Banky, but see Skels na everything they blame Banky. See some Clef they blame Banky. Once you start losing, you start blaming. That's just it. No cap.
Hey, wait, don't play that video yet. Welcome to Lost TV. This is your home of all daily Nigerian trending entertainment news and gossip you need to see and watch. Yes, we keep you entertained 247. Yes, 247. So just subscribe and press the bell icon to be notified anytime we drop the latest we do concerning your news and trending gist. So roll the video now. Roll it.
So I see you. Please like. I know I started comedy. Some people think I started comedy yesterday. But you see, you know why you say I did not shave? This my beers. I did not shave. It's not because I don't want to. It's just age. You know, when you're aging, you tend to grow a lot of beers that you don't even know how to manage it. And the thing is that I don't know whether my own beers is different. When I just continue today, the next day you just keep seeing the beers. These things cost money.
So now that boy sing that song.
Okay, you know, in those
as
days,
if they never knew.
Abraham did not bag hair.
This world is so cool.
Why did I in my own
Help
time?
me make I help others, and others go help others. Everybody go dey alright. Nobody go drink garri. Happy now when you hear.
I see you.
Rest in peace.
I see you.
Rest in peace. Oh, yeah.
And it's been a long time.
So now that time you go buy motors.
Come out and tell
You go build a mansion for my
I started
family.
comedy way back 2011.
You go bring money.
Yes.
Happy now when you hear.
I was doing comedy for fun.
Rest
The
in
truth is, I
peace.
didn't do comedy
Oh,
because I wanted to do comedy.
yeah.
I do comedy because of what I like.
Yeah.
Yes, I did it
Very
because I love
live
teaching
it
people
to
and
the
I
sweet
see, I
people.
talk too much.
But to help the first
When I
people,
open my mouth, I just
I've
have
done
a way
my
of saying a lot of things.
findings.
So,
my eye done open.
please, I don't know if you can hear me YouTube. I don't know if you can hear me. Let me try it.
That boy
Let me try
was
speaking up.
good.
Can you hear me? Please, if you can hear me, say you can hear me. If you can hear me, say you can hear me.
He dey sweet.
Just type I can hear
everywhere
you.
na
Please.
your video.
Can you hear me?
So now that boy sing that
Can
song
you hear me?
as if they never knew.
Can you hear me?
This world is so
You can hear me,
cool.
say you can hear me.
Help me make I help others, and others go help others.
Alright.
Everybody go dey alright.
Okay, we are live on Facebook
Nobody
too.
go drink
So,
garri. Happy
we
now
are live
when
on
you
Instagram,
hear.
we are live on YouTube,
Rest
and we are
in
live on
peace.
Facebook. Alright, I want
Rest
to greet
in
every one of
peace,
you. Good day, with your,
Yeah.
depending on your time. Good
So
morning,
now that
if you are any
time
part
you
of the
go
world waking up
buy
this morning.
motor.
Good afternoon, if now is
You go
afternoon,
build a
and good night
mansion
if you're at night.
for my
And I really
family.
want to tell you, my names are
You go
Denilson
bring
Igwe,
money.
a
Happy
former
now when you
MarkAngel
hear.
community.
Rest
I
in
would like
peace.
myself actor,
Oh,
or like myself
yeah.
owner, or like myself shareholder, or like myself whatever thing was.
Very
Yes, this is
live
me.
to the
And
sweet
I know you say, why did I come?
but to help
Why did I
the
decide
first
to
people, I've done my
to come out by this
findings.
time telling you about old story? Yes, it was you.
If you die,
You guys just keep asking, why do you leave market? I will post video that does not even relate to market. You just say, why do you leave market?
All in
So I said, okay,
songs,
fine.
they sweet.
Instead of just keep prolonging it, let me just come
They
today and
sweet.
tell you. And today I think I have free
Everywhere
time. I said,
na
okay,
your
since the thing has been
video.
there every time. If you check
So
my
now
videos,
that
you
boy
just see
sing
this particular
that
comment every
song
time. So I said,
as
okay,
if
let me
they
just
never knew.
tell you guys today.
This
Alright,
world
and
is
there's
so
some question
cool.
they asked me
Help
a
me
lot,
make
and I
I
think
help others,
I wrote
and
all of them
others
down on
go
my
help
phone. I can even
others.
show you.
Everybody
So I'm
go
going to
dey
go on the
alright.
first question before I attend to
Nobody
your own
go
personal question.
drink
The
garri.
question is, please, I
Happy
need you
now
to hear me
when
very
you
clearly
hear.
because this is just the beginning of the show. He said,
Rest in
if there is
peace.
anybody that knows MarkAngel
Rest
very
in
well,
peace,
we believe it's you because we have
Yeah.
heard that you have
So now
known
that
each other
time
for
you
a
go
long
buy
time now,
motor.
at least for 15 years now.
You go
Is
build
that
a
right?
mansion.
That yes, the answer
my
is yes.
family.
The truth is, I
go
did
bring
not.
money. Happy
People
now
see,
when
I was in
you
Mark's house, like I
hear.
was doing houseboy. I don't know
Rest
how you
in
call it in your
peace.
place. Like I was living with Max. I was cohabiting with Max. The mother brought me to the house, so I was living with them.
Very live it to
And,
the sweet people,
I
but to help
started. I had a
the
friend called
first
Eze.
people. I've done my findings.
Okay, the
My
truth
eye
is,
is
okay,
done
there's one that I don't want to say because
you die,
it will make me,
you go come out.
it will make me cry.
That boy
But the truth is, I was an
good
orphan.
though.
Yes, I lost my mom and my dad when I was a kid. So, and the maximum saw me and
now your video. So now that boy sing that song as if they never knew. This world is so cold. Help me make
I don't mention that part is because I don't want to be emotional right now.
Everybody go there alright. Nobody go drink Gary.
So I came to do house boy for Max mom. I came to do house boy for Max mom in their house at Oyibo, Timber Road, River State, Port Harcourt. So I was doing house boy for them and I was selling for them and everything. So one day I decided I do then there was a church called Glorious Faith in Satellite Village, Oyibo to be precise. In fact, I was with the pastor of the church yesterday. His name is Apostle Moses Ogene. So in the church then I used to do all these small jokes in the church. They used to call me funny brother. The children named me funny brother. Okay. So I decided to do. I said okay, let me try this thing. So we used the church of the camera owned a church called MD 10,000. So I had one idea because the pastor too is funny. So one of my friends Ezra told me a story of how he went to toilet to flush the toilet and the toilet wouldn't flush. That was my first comedy, do shit, and this comedy was way back 2011. That was the first comedy ever. And then it was something like MarkAngel comedy. Yeah, we were doing mechanic picture present to shit, something like that. If you want, I can give you. I have videos. So I did that first comedy, and I didn't do it for maybe because of I know money. No, that was nothing like I never knew anything about it. I am just a young boy. Yes, I'm just as a young man, you just try different things, and I wasn't doing it because of money. I never even knew that maybe one day this thing will be a big thing today. Okay. So I did it, and people just my friends. I did it for my friends. They just like it, and I said okay, fine. You guys like it. I did another one called Pankachi. As I then Mark was the person videoing it like he was on the camera because before then we had a company together. You know, I watched one interview he did one time. He said mechanic picture. I never mentioned my name. We had one company together, but I think he attested to the fact that we had the company. We started together called Mechanic Pictures. Okay, and this Mechanic Pictures, what we do is we shoot video for people like SZD, Surmount, Mr. Drill, these are Somatics in Port Harcourt here, Kenny Tutu, and so we're just the carrying camera around doing the thing. So Mark was good at cinematography. So he was the one behind the camera. So I did do shit, I did Pankachi. And there's more we did that didn't come out though. Yes, because of we don't have the best of equipment. We're using one laptop there, a Pentium M or ThinkPad. You remember that laptop? So and there was a friend of ours called Chica that has a cyber cafe. So we do go to his place to edit this video. But before then, me and Mark we are like brothers. Yes, because I was my senior brother. I lived in his house. I lived in their house. I was a houseboy in their house. So I lived them. So I saw Mark like a yardstick. I saw Mark like someone that I could learn from. And believe me, Mark is a good guy.
Rest in peace.
So we started, and along the line, there was a girl. Okay, let me go to the next question before I tell you. He said, how long have you known each other? And to what extent did your relationship with him get to? Well, we were like I told you before, we were like a brother. But now I don't know what we are because I think I heard one quote. The Bible says the money is the root of all evil. So but now I don't know what we are because now we don't talk. He can come to my Instagram and comment sometimes just to keep up. You know he likes media and he likes being the good guy, and I'm not being the good guy. And you know there's sometimes I wanted to say this thing, but I just said okay, let me just let it slide. There's another person they actually say we have heard some stories online some time ago about MarkAngel not being the founder of MarkAngel Comedy. So I want to ask you who really founded MarkAngel Comedy. Okay, so I was telling you before about the mechanic picture. So Mark started uploading this thing online because he was older, like he was working in a cyber cafe, so he knows more about computer. Me, I don't know anything. So people were just getting response. The way they monetize it, me, I never knew the thing was even. So what I do is when I was passing through the streets, because I'm a boy that I said something for them. When people say, see that boy had to cheat, Dennis doesn't. Me, I was not seeing it as something serious. I was saying, this one's a blessing. So and Mark said, okay, he will no longer be at the back of the camera. He needs to act. I said, okay, fine. So But he tried it one time like that, it didn't work. I think he stopped for a while. Now there was one time, you said, okay, 4. There's another question, 4. You say, if MarkAngel Comedy was funded by both of you, why is that its full name? Okay, why is that its full name is the company? I don't understand. If MarkAngel Comedy was funded by both of you, why is it that its full name that is the company? Yes, and the name MarkAngel, I gave it to him honestly. When that time, when we were growing up at home, there was one thing he do. There's one guy called Chris Angel. I don't know if you remember one Chris Angel guy. So I say they will try many names. There was a time I called him Magdel. There was a time I called him many things. But I said, okay, MarkAngel will be good. Let's just add it. He says it's good. I say yes. So because he was the one posting online, he was the one doing everything. Me, I don't even. Then I never had a phone, so I don't know how the thing was just going. So he called it MarkAngel. So me, the reason why I did not even report it, I never knew this thing was bringing money. I remember we have a company called Mechanic Picture, so he never used the company. So he used his name. I don't know why, but the reason I accepted it because I didn't think of it like this. But I was accepting it because we're doing Mechanic Picture presents, so MarkAngel presents. The reason he is in back of the camera, he's the one that edits and video it. So I was not seeing that as a problem. I said, okay, fine, it's the same thing, so it's not a problem. The formula is who discovered Emmanuella. The truth is, Emmanuella came. Emmanuella was living with us. Mark's mother is somebody to her blessed memory, please, because she's late now. Mark's mother is somebody I've never seen somebody like that before. Thanks to her, that's why today I'm still grateful, and that's why today I still love Mark as a brother. No matter what happened, I still love Mark as a brother because of the mother. Mark's mother went to church, DMC, Bible Missionary Church. It's at Oyibo. Yes, Oyibo River State, Port Harcourt, Nigeria. So Mark's mother went to church one day and this today called Emmanuella. Decided that she was disturbing the mother. I want to follow you home. I want to follow you home. I want to follow you home.
Rest in peace.
So the mother brought Emmanuella home and
Rest
she
in
passed.
peace.
That was when maybe the break for school. My mother was in school.
So at that time you go
So
buy
they go to the same church. They go to the mother of Mark and Emmanuella goes to the same church. So she came to the house and they were just so one day the girl was just talking to Victor. I told her, if you talk, I will beat you. So I had this joke in mind, mess. The best joke was not just a joke. It was something that happened. That an adult will pollute. I don't know how police you understand. Mess like I will pollute or so the child, it happened real life. So I said, okay, let's do it as a joke. And I told her, if you don't do it, I will beat you. And she did it, and wow, people were just liking it. The thing was just everywhere. So Mark saw the turn up. Mark saw how it was going. That people really related to it because then I don't think there was any kid comedian. If there was, I never knew. But I don't. So people started liking the Emmanuella kind of stuff. So Mark said, okay, I should stop acting with Emmanuella. That you should create maybe I should create something else because me, I like this church thing because I go to church a lot. Okay, that he wants to be acting with Emmanuella. He wants to create a platform called Emmanuella Uncle. So he did a comedy called Landlord. He did it. I didn't know. I never knew how it came. So they did Oga Landlord. Landlord. So Landlord, I'm not around. So that was the second joke Emmanuella did. Alright, so we started doing this thing. Okay, there's another question here, sorry. At any point, did you fight physically with MarkAngel? You know that we were living together. We were living together in one house. Might have done that, but it's not because of money or anything. No, just like people being your senior brother. I seem like a senior brother today. Alright, there's another question. It says, is MarkAngel owing you any amount of money? This one I don't want to say he's owing me or he's even owing me my life because just think about it. Started a company, invested all my life in it, and when it goes to when the company was at its peak, I had to just go and it was. To say if I start going to this one now, it will be very very big because okay he still posts my content and getting revenue from it from Facebook, from YouTube, and he's not giving me even 1,000 naira. I started my own community. There is no support. He has never posted me on Instagram. Even on my birthday, he doesn't post me. And he doesn't post me on anywhere. He doesn't even give me a dime. And the thing is, I think because probably he's the one that he sees to the business of the company. And that's why I'm struggling to gain more attention. And the thing is, me, I don't like talking about this thing, but it's been a long time coming. People just keep asking me this, that, this, and I just don't know how to just say it. So now I'm not saying it out of grief. I'm not saying it because maybe I'm pained or no, if I'm pained, I would have been pained since at least now I started my okay. Another question, sorry.
for my
So he said,
family.
okay, he's just mentioned how much he's owing you currently.
I be now when you
But I started using it
hear.
because when I started marketing
Rest
comedy,
in
the first time I received salary, I started 2011. The first time I received salary was 2017. And how much I received, and not like salary, he just gave me 50,000 naira.
Sweet people.
And after 2017, he never paid me till 2019. He started paying me to 200,000 naira every month. Now, how did I even know that the comedy direct money? We went for a visa interview. So somebody asked me, say, why is your shoe like this? I say, with the manager because I need to use 200,000 feed my family. Can't see buy new shoe. He said, for what? I said, they immediately MarkAngel they pay you 200,000. I said, yes. So the guy said, he called him.
Help me make I help.
The name of this guy is OJ.
And others go help others.
The name of this guy is OJ. Yes, he works for Facebook. OJ. He knows him. Yes, but let me not go into detail. So I said, why would you pay me 200,000? He said the company is not bringing money. This, that. So okay, fine. So I said, okay, because I can't be every time we'll be having issue about money. Every time we have issue about money, I say, let it not be like maybe I'm trying to. And besides, I never forget the good they did to me when I was in their house. Because if the one that never brought me to the house, I don't think today I would be here talking about maybe I would have died in the street because I lost my mom and my dad very early. So maybe I would have, who knows? So that's why I'm not really concerned about trying to fight him or not fight him. So, okay, another question, sorry. Let me attend to this question before I attend to other questions. He said, let's get something clear. How did MarkAngel comedy? Were you sacked or you left on your own? Nobody sacked me. I decided to leave. Yes, I decided to leave because I couldn't take it anymore. Because when will I start? The thing about that I was a boy in their house. But man, I should be. When would I start caring for my own family? When will I start at least having food to eat? When will I start growing myself? When will I start investing in myself? So I said, okay, let me just leave because I see he's not somebody that you know money can change people. Yes, he's a good guy, but
when you hear.
Let me just leave that part, okay? I don't want to just say, okay, 7. They said another person they asked me and said, if you are given the chance to go back to MarkAngel comedy as a shareholder and not just any salary, will you go back? The truth is I wouldn't like to go back because I started my own comedy. Yes, I had a YouTube page in 2016. I opened it so that I can be watching our own video. Because on YouTube, if you don't have YouTube, you can't subscribe. You can't subscribe to YouTube. So I had a YouTube page in 2016. I used to subscribe to MarkAngel comedy. So I have a YouTube. So I said, okay, let me do my own video and post on that very platform. So that was what I was doing. So I was doing it. So I started my own comedy. So I wouldn't like to go back. But if he chooses to give me maybe my own revenue of the money we've been making since the I don't even know when the YouTube was monetized, but only God knows. They call him yes, people said he is the richest in Africa. Yes, he's the richest in Africa. But when I use social media, when somebody asked me to go and check social media what to make, because people, a lot of my friends say, guy, come out and speak up now. Oh, come, but I couldn't because me, I am just saying, okay, fine. If I don't speak up, this guy is hard money more than me. This guy can take me to court. This guy can arrest me. So why will I come and speak up? If I speak up now, it might result to something. Someone say, guy, just stop. I think it's better you say, let him arrest you than not talking. So this is me just today saying, okay, and I wouldn't like to go back, but I would like to, if you would like to give me at least the revenue of he's still posting my comedy to do. I remember on YouTube, even though you post, even if it has lasted years, it still generates revenue. So if you can give me, I'll be the happiest person. Number 9 is okay. Since you left MarkAngel, what have you been up to? I've been doing my own skits. In Amanda has not been gaining a lot of attention. Even today, people never knew I left MarkAngel. People still ask me, guy, this guy still do comedy because I never had that push. I was expecting him, even if he doesn't give me money, he should at least post me on his YouTube community on Facebook. Say people go and subscribe to Denilson Igwe comedy, but he never did something like that. So man, reasons best known to him. Everybody has reason to do what he does. There's more, but let me just stop there. Let me just answer this one. What are we expecting from you the nearest possible time? A lot, because I've decided the pastor's series. I left the community for some time because I was frustrated and I was hot. because when we were doing this comedy, there was sometime I fell off from upstairs when we were doing pastor's comedy. Who is your pastor? There was sometime I literally shocked me because me that time we don't have a team, because now we had a team. We never had a team, so I was the one carrying the camera, doing the lighting and everything. But you know, when you build something and you know that this is getting money and you're not getting money, this you can be frustrated. So I was frustrated. But right now I started a series called Pastor Series. Now people say, you know, people just have this way of telling me to go back to my people just keep referring me to now. Well, if I keep doing it and I'm not getting paid, the reason I'm now, we are all human beings now. It doesn't make sense. So I started the Pastor Series and I'm doing a Bike Man series. And I'm also doing the other series. I'm trying to come up together with so that I could at least come up with something. So I don't be like I'm no more in the game because I'm old in this thing and people easily forget. They can just forget you for no reason. And let me just check on the questions we still have online, because I have a lot of asking me questions on Facebook. Let me check. Let me take that song.
As if they never knew.
Please,
this world is so cold. Help me make I help others.
You don't hear me?
And others go help others. Everybody
you can't hear me.
They alright. Nobody go drink garri.
Can you hear me? If you can hear me, say you can hear me.
Rest in peace. Rest in peace. Oh.
Ask me the question, please. Please read out the question for me.
So at that time you go buy motor.
Ask me this question.
You go build a mansion.
Read it out.
For my family.
From you too.
Yeah. Okay, this is from YouTube. But ask me.
Treasure for testimony. Who called you to act with him last comedy about Jesus Christ?
Okay, yes, good. He was the one that called me because we had, people started asking him where is Denilson. So he called me. And me, I was thinking, because when he called me, I was thinking maybe after then we could do something. Not only Jesus comedy, we did another one called Bike Man. But he did it like he said he's a.
If you
can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
That boy was good.
Can you hear me?
All in songs they sweet.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me? I believe you can hear me now.
Sweet
can you hear me? Alright, Treasure from YouTube asked, he said, who called you to do the Easter comedy you did with MarkAngel? Yeah, he did call me, because sometimes I call him and say, boss, I find me something now. And he just okay, I come and do this and I did that comedy for him. He just gave me 100,000 naira. He said, use this one, go and eat. So I was thinking maybe after then, maybe what he did is, okay, sometimes people ask him, okay, we did another Bike Man again, that he said he wanted to be a conclusion. So he did that Bike Man like I've died. If you watch that Bike Man, I was a ghost. I thought they go. He said, "Want me to conclude my Bike Man thing so I can just be free for myself."
You go
so that was it. Please read out the questions to me so I can answer.
My family. You go bring
please
money.
Please keep the questions coming so I can attend to the questions.
Rest in peace. Oh,
hey. Check Facebook.
Burial levy to the sweet people. But to help the first people.
Damari Sue from Facebook. Listening to you, I feel really bad. I had misjudged you, thinking that you left out of pride. Please, I'm really sorry. Forgive me.
Yeah.
Don't worry. Just have a good team, and you yourself will do better.
Yeah, people say that. People say that I don't reply. People say you have pride. People say you do this. People say you do that. But if you don't hear from, okay, what? How can you go? You call yourself my brother. And I started like not like I started it. Just that maybe yes, I would say we because he saw to the business side of it. Yes. Now when they interviewed him, I watched one interview he was interviewed in US. He didn't even mention my name. He didn't mention anything about me. And people think I've died. I even heard one person called me one time and say, "Denilson, is she alive?" And people keep asking me, "Where is Denilson? Because man, I don't have a big platform. I don't even know where to start. So I'm just one frustrated person that is trying to just. But I'm not doing this thing maybe because if I want to do this thing, maybe I'm angry about it or I want to get at him. There's nothing he knows. There's nothing I could say that would just not make sense. That is the truth. And I wouldn't come here and lie about him. There's one thing but I don't want to say it because let peace just because I remember if the mother didn't keep me at home, that's my conscience. The woman is late now. She didn't keep me at home. I won't be here today. So, woman, and may her blessed soul rest in perfect peace. Amen. Any other question, please ask. Keep the question coming.
It is sweet to me.
on YouTube, on
everywhere
Facebook, on
na
Instagram,
your
please ask
video.
any question you want to ask me.
So now
please.
that boy sing that
Ask.
song.
And I just wish he
As
can
if
come on
they
live.
never
He can
knew.
be invited on this live.
This world
Please, anybody
is
can
so
invite Mark on this live. Invite him so we could do this live together. So that it won't be like I'm saying something that ask.
Everybody go
Ask.
dey alright.
On YouTube,
Nobody
James
go drink am.
Yeah, but from YouTube,
Okay.
how much is needed to establish yourself? What's the minimum?
Rest in peace, oh. Yeah. So now that time you go buy motor.
YouTube
go build a mansion.
I can't mention a figure.
For my family.
I can't mention a figure right now.
You go bring
Because
money. I be
the
now
beggar
when
has no
you
choice.
yeah,
So
yeah.
anything will be appreciated.
Rest in peace.
And get a good
Oh,
camera.
oh, oh, yeah.
That would be nice. I'm not
Yeah,
saying
yeah,
this is what
yeah,
this is. No.
Burial
But
live
now,
to the
we're not
sweet
we're
people.
not in
But you have
to make any
the
request.
first
And I'm not saying this thing to make requests. I'm just saying this so that people stop asking me when do you think I need to make it.
If you want to help you or support you, I have already invited Mark. We really need to help you, bro.
Okay, please invite him. I need to let him come online so we can talk. Let's just do it live. Don't be like somebody is just
everywhere now your video.
So, my
So
number
now that boy
is
sing
I will,
that song.
after this video I have to
As
post my
if
number
they
online
never
so
knew.
you could
This
get in touch
world
with me.
is
And my
so
Instagram
cool.
handle is official
Help
Denilson
me
Igwe.
make I help
Official
others.
Denilson Igwe.
And
My
others
Facebook
go
is
help others.
Denilson Igwe, but it's not
Everybody
monetized. I don't know why
go
they
dey alright.
monetize. You know, one time
Nobody
let me even tell you
go
one of the
drink
most
that. I be
important.
now
When I
when you
left, my Facebook was hacked.
Rest
I was
in
attacked.
peace.
I was just
Rest
surprised.
in peace,
My Facebook till now, they can't even monetize it. I was asking why.
Yeah.
Since then, I have
So now that
640
time
and it
you
doesn't
go
even
buy
go above it.
motor.
It just keep. My YouTube has been at
You go build a
284
mansion
for more than 3 years now.
for
What
my
exactly? I don't know.
family.
I post video, people don't even want to
You
want
go
to watch
bring
it.
money.
I don't know whether
I
they
be
think maybe
now
I left
when
my
you
because
yeah,
of
yeah.
by now I'll be dragging him.
Rest in peace.
Some other blogs have offered me come and tell us what happened between you and MarkAngel. There was a time one thing about Emmanuella paying 50,000 came out and they said yes, it's true, but the thing is I don't want to bring him out. Like I just this one I'm saying now I'm not trying to bring him out. No. I just want to clear the air so you guys will just know the truth and stop asking me go back to MarkAngel this so please ask me.
Ifeanyi Raphael from YouTube.
Okay.
Which part of Nigeria are you from? Eastern brothers are really promoting each other's now.
Okay, I'm from Abia State. I don't go to be precisely.
This world is so cool. Help me make I help others. And others go help others. Everybody go dey alright. Nobody go drink garri. I be now
Manjit Sharma from YouTube. Does your YouTube is also attacked by someone? Cause it happened with Indian YouTubers too.
Yes. Like I don't know if somebody is watching my video. It doesn't get views. If you can go now and check on it yourself, it doesn't get views. I just keep wondering what is happening. I post video, nobody watched it.
You go bring
So I don't know.
money.
I don't even know
I
what
be
is
now
happening.
when you
I was
hear.
expecting maybe one man will post me on his
Rest in
community or maybe
peace.
talk about me, but he doesn't do it. But
yeah.
best known to him, maybe he doesn't want me to grow or maybe he doesn't like me.
Burial
Fine,
levy to
It's
the
not good.
sweet people, but to help the first people. I've
Ask
done
me,
my
ask from Facebook,
findings.
ask from Instagram. Please
My
ask.
eye done.
Just keep the question coming.
If you
Because
die,
I'm ready to
you
answer
will
any
come
question you
out.
have to ask me. Please.
That boy
Ask me any
was
question.
cool.
And please, if you can invite Mark to come live, please invite him to come live.
Jameson in your bunk from YouTube.
Everywhere
Drop me a
now
private
your
chat.
video.
Okay, no problem.
So now
Thank you
that
very
boy
much. And I really
sing
want to
that
appreciate every
song
one of you, please.
as if
You know,
they never knew.
When they were telling me to come do this thing, I said no because I don't want this pity party thing, but
And others go
thank God I
help
didn't do anything.
others.
Thank you very much. Thank you
Everybody
every one of you.
go dey alright.
Please ask me
Nobody
any
go
question at all.
drink
Please invite
garri.
Mark
I be
to
now
come live so
when
that it won't be like
you
I'm lying
hear.
against him or I'm trying to get
Rest in
please invite him to come live. If he can come live and answer,
Rest
then
in
just talk about
peace,
it live. So you say here he lied or he said the truth. Or
So
if you
now
can
that
do another
time
live video and
you
invite
go
me,
buy
fine.
motor.
I'm ready to come to his live
You
video
go
and
build
we'll
a
talk about it.
mansion.
Alright, please
For my family.
I don't know if there's any other question
You
to
go
ask
bring
because we'll be
money.
running it up.
I be now
Anyways,
when
for
you
now, please.
hear.
We're about to round up, please.
Rest in peace.
Ask me.
Oh,
If there is no other question. I think
Burial
this is all
left
we
to
can
the
take for now.
sweet people,
Maybe till some
but
other
to
time.
help the first
Again.
people.
So please, if you have any
I've
question
done
you want
my
to ask me, any question
findings.
at all, please
My
keep it coming.
eye done open. If you die, then go come out. That boy was good. All in songs, they sweet to me.
No other question.
They sweet to me.
Treasure for testimony sef. I am really interested in this your case. We need to talk personally on phone. That thing that killed your parents is also affecting you or show you how to be okay. Mark is not your problem but family.
Everybody go dey alright. Nobody go drink garri. I be now when you hear. Rest in peace. Rest in peace.
Says, please,
So
when
now
did you
that
guys
time
start
you go
comedy
buy
business?
motor.
Which year? You and Mark.
You go build a mansion for my family. You go bring money. I be now when you hear. Rest in peace.
Okay. More 7102 from YouTube said, have you tried reaching from Instagram? Said, have you tried reaching out to other popular comedians? Because I know some we are inspired by you.
My eye
Yeah, I have. You know, these days the comedy thing, the way we're doing it before is no longer the way it is now.
That
So
boy was
the
good.
thing is changed and
All
left me
in
behind.
songs,
So
they
when
sweet
you now
to
find out that someone that was looking up to you
They
grew up to now
sweet
become
to
your
me.
boss. So
Everywhere
you know how
na
it is
your
now.
video.
I tried
So now that boy
I
sing
don't
that
mention
song
the names of them, but
as if
the
they
name
never
really
knew.
cleared so well. So I said, okay, fine.
This
let's
world
just
is
keep
so
doing it.
cold. Help
Little
me
bit
make
time.
I help others, and others go help others.
I think we'll be rounding
Everybody
this
go dey
up
alright.
now.
Nobody
So
go
for those of you
drink
that came
garri. I be
on
now
live,
when you
I really want to
hear.
thank you for coming, and I just
Rest
hope
in
you wouldn't
peace.
ask me again why did you left
Rest
MarkAngel
in
comedy,
peace.
why you go back to MarkAngel comedy, why this and
So
why
now
that.
that time you go buy motor
They say you're still asking why
You
did
go
I leave.
build a
That's the
mansion
thing. That's the thing. This is the question I
for
just keep
my
asking.
family.
You just keep asking me every day.
You go
So
bring
please,
money.
this is
I
where
be
we'll just
now
drop the
when
curtain
you
now.
hear.
Is there any other question? Read.
Rest
Read.
in peace. Oh,
Read.
hey. Hey,
Read. Oh, let's take some
Burial
before
left
we
to
go.
the sweet people, but to help the first people. I've done my
Blessed
findings.
Apostle Lot
My
doing
eye
from
done
Facebook.
open.
Please
If
have
you
Mark
die,
be
then
communicating
go
with
come
you
out.
for long.
No.
That boy
We
was
no longer talk.
good.
I think that's why
All
there's a
in
question here
songs
says,
they
what are we
sweet
now?
to me.
I don't know what we will call ourselves.
They
Maybe
sweet to me.
I don't know.
Everywhere
But he comments.
na
What I
your
know is
video.
on Instagram he comments on my stuff.
So now that
and he
boy
likes them
sing that
sometimes.
song
So I think that's the
as
conversation I
if
think we
they
have now.
never knew. This world is so cold. Help me
Yes,
make
let's
I
just
help
take
others,
some last question.
and others go help others. Everybody go
Alright,
dey
I think this is
alright.
where we'll draw this
Nobody
episode
go
today.
drink garri. I be
If
now
you
when
still
you
need anything,
hear.
we
Rest
can have
in
this conversation maybe
peace.
some other time. Okay.
Rest in peace.
Thank you for
Yeah.
being online.
So now that
Please,
time
just
you
do well
go
to watch
buy
our videos.
motor.
We were trying to get
You go build
our
a mansion
YouTube
for my
at least
family.
500,000 subscribers.
You go
and our
bring
Facebook
money.
to a
I
million.
be now
But
when
the thing
you
is,
hear. Rest in
But
peace.
YouTube is monetized
Oh,
already. They know how
hey.
they hacked it, so we got it back.
Hey.
Ask.
Burial
KK
left
is
to
Uchuku
the
from
sweet
Facebook.
people,
Are you
but
getting
to
paid from
help
Facebook?
the
No,
first
I'm not.
people.
I told you they hacked it. I don't know what happened to it. They hacked it, and I've never been.
My
I don't know what
eye
happened. So I
done
will just retrieve it back, and
If
since
you
then
die,
they say you can't be
then go
monetized.
come
I don't know
out.
what they are.
That
what
boy
to do.
was
So-
good.
So please,
All
I
in
think this is
songs
where
they
we'll draw the
sweet
curtain for
to me.
today.
They
Thank you very
sweet
much for
to me.
coming online. Do well to
Everywhere
share this
na
video.
your
Share it,
video.
please. Share
So now that
people
boy
can hear it,
sing
and
that
so that the
song
question of why did you
as
leave
if
or go
they
back to
never
MarkAngel
knew.
comedy will stop.
This
So thank
world
you.
is so cold. Help me make I help others, and others go help others. Everybody go dey alright. Nobody go drink garri. I be now when you hear. Rest in peace. Rest in peace.
Thank you. I go by the name Black Mamba. Don't forget, I thank God for my subscribers, my phone, and my sub. If you like, if you comment, if you subscribe, I'll keep thanking God for you. I love you all.